Hello everybody, today Tanya Alexander of Karuna University will going to explain you another experiment, and today we will see the deployment diagram. So in my previous video I told you about component diagram, that is the software components. So the deployment diagram is the hardware component, and it can also be said as client and server interaction. In this, number of nodes a server can have is so many, and it shows physical relationship between hardware and software. Hardware elements is like computer, embedded processor, devices, all this, and are used to show the nodes where software component resides in the runtime system. So nodes can be piece of hardware, connection can be communication part used by the hardware, usually indicate the method such as TCP or IP. So this is about the deployment diagram. So now I will tell you, this is the diagram of deployment diagram. So here it is the application server, this is the web server, and the users. So in this there are two users and one administrator. These boxes are actually known as the deployment block, and here the database server. So in this under this there are four blocks, that is four deployment block in one deployment block. So in application server it has attendance, leave, profile, or salary report. That means that these four applications can be done within this. And then here the web server is user interface. So there are two users, user 1 and user 2, and the administrator. So this is the so you can see here, so this is database server. In this, these four, whatever the record these four will have, their database will be stored in database server. That is for salary, then salary database, attendance database, calendar, and the user credentials. And these all is interconnected with each other. So like web server first, the user 1 and user 2 will be interconnected with the web server, and even the administrator is also interconnected with the web server. And then here it is web server connected to the application server, and this database server is directly connected to the application server and the web server. So this is all about the deployment diagram. You just have to write the specific and the correct name of the application which you are going to do. So this is all about the deployment diagram. I hope you understood. Thank you so much.